Want to sign out of Facebook everywhere? Here's how. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Then, tap on the menu option on the top left corner. Look at the bottom and expand Settings and Privacy. Then, select Settings from the top. Inside Settings, tap on the Account Center. Then, tap on Password and Security. Look below and select where you're logged in. Tap on your Facebook profile from the list. You'll see every phone, laptop, or tablet where your account is active. Under the list, tap on Select Devices to log out. You can either select a single device to log out or tap on Select All to log out from all devices. Then tap on Log Out at the bottom. Confirm the same from the pop-up as well. And boom, you're instantly logged out of every device except the one in your hand. And that's it.